In this video, we want to use the compare mode tool to show how a hurricane is moving up the coast of the Atlantic. So we're looking at wave height here in the Atlantic with contours at every 2 feet. So right now, this is the active view of the hurricane off the shore of the Carolinas. But if we want to see what this hurricane was doing yesterday and compare the two, what we can do is go into the compare mode tool, turn on the slider, leave the compare layers as showing on both sides of the slider, but we can change one side of the map. So on the right map, let's change it to 1 day ago at 11 a.m. and we'll let that data load. And what we'll be able to do is use the slider to see how this hurricane has progressed and where it's moved from. So we can see it was off the shore a bit further yesterday, and when we use the slider, we can see the direction it's taking as it moves towards the Carolinas.